Okay guys, so this is the Bosch service center in Sime Darby Auto Selection. So what we're doing here today is that we're experiencing some Bosch official products that are compatible or equivalent to the official one. So basically, I'm gonna have my engine oil changed, and of course using Bosch oil filter. And then I'm gonna change the spark plug. I mean, Bosch spark plugs are very famous, right? But also the coil packs for my BMW, and also get the batteries changed, which is a Bosch battery. So I'm gonna get these things done, and maybe the wiper, but that depends on checking. But Bosch doesn't just make these alone. They make a lot of stuff. They have light bulbs, they have horns, they have your engine air filter, cabin air filter, plenty. All right. So for those of you, if you want to get your car serviced, you can actually come here, Sime Darby Auto Selection, Bosch Service Center, but they have 60 over outlets across the nation. You can also visit them as well. Now for those of you who just want to buy a wiper replacement, who just want to buy a horn, you're a DIY person, you can actually head on to Bosch's official page in Shopee, right? You'll be able to find all the products there, and you can purchase and get them sent to you. All right. Bosch's product is equivalent to the official, BMW or Mercedes or Audi oil filters, and is also certified by them. Is real and equivalent aftermarket change as an option. But I noticed that there are a lot of fake products out there that the workshops will just tell you, oh, it's OEM compatible. So do check that. But for assurance, of course, you go with Bosch, a very well-known brand. All right.
Okay, so that's about it.
Thank you.
I will take your car over into my workshop.
All right.
And I'll get my I'll get my team to check on it.
Thank you.
All right.
So I can go have coffee.
Yes, sure. You can wait in our
And
waiting
by
line.
right, I shouldn't be there.
Yes.
Because it's authorized personnel only.
Correct.
But since we're shooting a video, I'm gonna bring you guys in. All right. Thank you. I want to ask, like, quality oils like these are like Bosch 5W30 or this, right? Yeah. Usually, what is the recommended mileage should I change?
Mileage, if let's say fully synthetic, we recommended change 10,000 kilometer lah.
10,000 kilometers.
10,000. If semi-synthetic, we recommend to 5,000 lah.
Okay, okay. These are some of the products that we're going to be using. Not all we're going to use today, but I just want to show you as an example, of what are they, all right? This is the lambda sensor, all right? So every car actually has this. This is for environmental and fuel efficient as well. This is one of the reasons when your car's check engine light comes on, right? Is when this thing goes faulty. Some people call it lambda sensor, some people call it O2 sensor. And some trivia, it's actually invented by Volvo, all right? So that's the lambda sensor. Certain cars have 2, certain cars have 3, certain cars have 4, all right? So, yeah. Mine is not due yet, but they make them, okay? This is something you guys are familiar with, all right? That's a spark plug. And of course, this is a double platinum. There are a few types, there are iridium spark plugs out there, platinum, all right? So this is where the electrical current goes in, sparks and burns your fuel. All right, so this is important, and sometimes when your car experiences misfiring or check engine light, that's when your spark plugs needs to be changed. Now, spark plug fires, what is the thing that goes to spark plug, all right? Sends the electrical current to fire the spark plug. That's called a coil pack. That's the coil, all right? So the cables plug in, and then okay, so this is a coil. It's made by Bosch, all right? You want to see it? Yeah. Now, 6-cylinder car, 6 of these, okay? Oil filter, very, very important. When you change your engine oil, you better change your oil filter as well, all right? An equivalent from Bosch is cheaper, but same quality because it's actual German brand, proper stuff, okay? Yeah, I don't think we're going to be using this today. Just to let you guys have a look. That's a pump. Yep. Even fuel pumps. Okay? Even fuel pumps, they manufacture them. Wipers, very important. Now they have a fuel range, okay? And this is called the Aero Twin. So it comes with some brackets there, and then there's a QR code at the back. So if you scan it, it teaches you how to install on your car. Just make sure you buy the right one, right? There is a way to make sure you are getting the right one. You look at this, if it is, okay, it's 17 inch, it says 17 inch here. So you can actually measure your wiper, right? That's the most reliable way. You just measure, then you can change them. Last thing is the battery. No joke. You can see how heavy the battery is. Look at this. Okay. Yeah. So for those who don't know, usually a Japanese car battery is this size, right? But European car batteries are a lot larger, but they last a lot longer as well. I wish there's a weight here so I can show you how heavy this thing is. Yeah. All right. Change some proper quality battery. That's important as well. All right. So these are all the things we're gonna do today, and go check it out. So we're now going to the spark plugs and coils.
Yes.
All right. So that's my charge pipe. Okay. Guys, they just took out my old spark plugs. I just found out it's Bosch as well. So I have Bosch spark plugs in my car as well. This is the new one, this is the old one. Look at that. Okay? The black stuff, yes, that's carbon. That is carbon. Okay? No matter how, you will have carbon. Okay? But they say it's very clean. It's considered very clean for mine. Okay? So this is the new one, this is the old one. So 6-cylinder, 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more on the way. 6. All right? So this is the coil that was removed from my BMW. As you can see, the brand is Delphi. All right? Of course, this is another compatible product for BMW. I've been using it for 3 years, right? Now, this is the one from Bosch. You'll be thinking, hey, this looks metal and this looks plastic, right? But actually there is metal inside. It's just that Bosch added a rubberized exterior so that it's not so hot when you hold it, because this is extremely hot when taken out. All right, so you see, they work the same, but attention to detail is different. Cheers. So that's the battery going into my car. For those of you who drive German continental cars, this side will be familiar, right? Oh yeah, the battery at the back. But a lot of Japanese cars have the batteries in the front. Now, battery is something that is very heat sensitive. So the German car makers, they put the battery at the back of the car away from all the heat so it lasts longer. But also, by putting the battery here, because batteries weigh a lot, they can weigh like 20 kilos or more, right? By taking some of the weight from the front and putting back here, it balances it out much better, all right? So guys, so everything is done. They've changed my wipers to Bosch wipers, spark plugs to Bosch spark plugs, platinum spark plugs, and my coil packs, and engine oil, oil filter, aircon filter, and engine air filter, all this to Bosch products. Oh, last but not least, the battery for my car as well. They have a lot more products for not just BMWs, but Mercedes, but Audis, Hondas, Toyotas, Proton, Peroddas, all that as well. So you can actually visit Sime Darby Auto Selections, Bosch Service Center over here to get all your stuffs done, okay? But it's not just the only outlet that Bosch has. They have 60 over outlets across the nation. And now they have some promos whereby if you spend more than 150 ringgit, you can get some gifts, including a boot organizer or a smartphone cable organizer, all those stuffs as well. So do drop by here and check them out. All right? Cheers.